Good morning, my little champs. How are you all? Hope you all are happy at your home. Kids, welcome to your English class. This is Shoma ma'am, and today we are going to learn how to trace and write the capital letter N. But before that, all of you recall all the capital letters and repeat after ma'am. Okay? So let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, and what comes after M? Yes, you are right. N. This is capital letter N, and today I will teach you how to trace and write the capital letter N. Okay? Look at this, kids. This is capital letter N. N is for nest, N is for net, N is for necklace. Now kids, using your finger, trace the letter N. From top to down, standing line. Again go on top, draw a slanting line. And from this point, go up straight. Standing line, slanting line, and go up straight. This is capital letter N. And N says N. N says N. Very good, kids. Now it's activity time. Arrange this popsicle stick or ice cream stick just like the letter N. This is capital letter N. So let's start. Standing line. Again go on top. Slanting line. And from this point, another standing line, go up. Standing line, slanting line, and go up. And it's done. This is capital letter N. Now the next activity. Kids, can you tell me what is this? Yes, a piece of newspaper. N is for newspaper. And in this activity, we need some small pieces of newspaper and Fevicol or other any glue. Okay, using this newspaper, we will fill this big size N. So, first you have to put Fevicol or other any glue on it, and then you have to paste this newspaper. So let's start. First you have to apply some glue on it. Okay. Then we will paste one small pieces on it. Okay. First, from top to down, standing line, newspaper. Now, again go on top, slanting line. Very good, kids. Now, from this point, we have to go up. And it's done. Our newspaper N is ready. Very good, kids. Now the next activity. In this activity, we are going to trace and write the letter N, capital letter N, in our magic tray. This is a wheat flour tray. You can use salt tray or sand tray. So kids, let's start writing. Using your finger, write the letter N from top to down. Standing line. Again go on top. Draw a slanting line. And from this point, go up. Standing line, slanting line, go up straight. Very good kids. This is capital letter N. Kids, now I will teach you how to write the capital letter N using these 4 lines. This is top line, middle line, base line and bottom line. Always start from the top line and use first 3 lines only. Don't touch the last line. Okay? So kids, let's start. Start from here. From top to down, standing line. Again go on top. Draw slanting line. And from this point, go up straight. And it's done. Capital letter N. Again do it. Standing line. Go on top. Slanting line. And from this point, go up straight. This is capital letter N. Very good kids. Kids, now it's time to complete our classwork in Candy Alphabet book. For that, you have to open your Candy Alphabet book, page number 48. Look at this kids, this is capital letter N. N is for nest, N is for nose. So first, you have to trace this capital letter N using crayon. So start from top to down. Standing line. Again go on top. Draw a slanting line. Then from this point go up straight. This is capital letter N. Now kids, take your pencil and hold it properly and write on dots. Standing line, go on top, slanting line and from this point go up straight. This is capital letter N. This way you have to complete these 2 lines. Now come here, look at this. Start from this top line and always use first 3 lines only. Don't touch the last line. Okay? Standing line, go on top, draw a slanting line. Again from this point, go up straight. This is capital letter N. This way you have to complete the full page. This is your classwork. Page number 48. Kids, this is also same just like this page. But today we will do only 1 page. So don't do this page. Okay? You have to complete only 1 page. 48. This page we will do later. Okay? So kids, write this page in beautiful handwriting. Okay? That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.